Hi, I'm Raymond Lubrino from the W, and I'm here to welcome the incoming 9th graders to Westlake High School. Right now we are standing in our front lobby at Westlake High School, and this is where you're going to enter the building every morning, either when you get dropped off or you get dropped off by the buses. I'm standing in where would be the senior lounge, but unfortunately due to COVID, can't obviously have the couches here. But right now we're in the senior and junior cafeteria. And now we are down the hallway just a little bit in our freshman and sophomore cafeteria. And now we're in our math and ELA lab where students can go to work with teachers to get some extra help if they're confused on any work they have. Now I am on stage in our auditorium, and this is where our play is produced, where some of the concerts are going to be, and even some meetings with the principal and the student body. And sometimes we have assemblies. Now we are in Miss Morris's room. She is our art teacher, and we are currently in her photo class. Now we're in room 113, our media, video, and broadcasting room, and we're here with one of our favorite teachers, Ms. Abate.
Hi guys, how are you?
And as you can see, this is our broadcasting class, and they are going to be helping on the production of the virtual tour. Guidance office, and as you can see, there's our seating area. And right over here is where you will sign into the guidance office and be greeted by Mrs. Denoda, who's right there.
Hey everyone, I'm Mr. DePaulo. I'm the guidance curriculum leader and school counselor in the high school. And I just wanted to give you guys a little sense of what to expect when you come up to the high school. We have some great counselors that are going to be here to help you with everything from adapting to high school and then continuing on each year. And we will definitely reach out to you. We are accessible anytime you guys want. We have an open door policy, which means you can come and see us anytime you want. And we look forward to meeting you.
So right here behind me, we have our office. And as we go down the hallway, we have our music room, our gym, and our school nurse. Now we're in our nurse's office, and as we look through these two doors, that's where students will lie down if they aren't feeling so well. And right here is the nurse's desk. She is. And this is the nurse's office. So right here we are at our music room, which is a little ways down from the nurse. And also in there temporarily is our school trainer, our athletic trainer, Hillary. And this is where any of our band or chorus kids will go and practice music. And now we're in the gym, and this is where you're gonna have your gym class. And when you're a senior, hopefully if you have good enough grades, Project Adventure. Room 219, which just happens to be one of our computer rooms. And most teachers will wanna come in here and do some computer work since our classrooms don't always have access to computers. With fan favorite teacher Vincent Iovani, otherwise known as EO, and we're here to just talk a little bit about our favorite teacher, EO. So Mr. Iovani, what do you do at Westlake High School?
I teach English 11th grade and 12th grade, and I tend to work in the writing lab most years, not this year.
Is there anything you'd like to say to the incoming freshmen?
Come in, do your best, don't fall into the 9th grade slump, or you'll never make it to my class.
Thank you, EO.
One more thing. After you guys make it through 9th grade and you get to 11th grade, you have to tell us who is louder, Miss Muller or myself.
In our school library, which should be fairly familiar to you guys, and with your study halls that you will be getting in high school, you could actually come in here and start to do your work quietly. And anytime you have a study hall or anytime you have a lunch, you could just come in here and get your work done.
Welcome everyone to Westlake High School. I know as you begin your preparation for transitioning and becoming a Westlake High School student in the class of 2025, it's my pleasure to get you ready, give you a little sense of the high school, and make sure that you are excited to get here in September. So we'll see you then. Mr. Schenker signing out.